In this video, we will understand gravitation and gravitational force. We know that the moon goes around the earth and the earth goes around the sun. Also, other planets revolve around the sun. Have you ever wondered how all this happens? The answer is gravitational force. According to the law of gravitation, every body in the universe attracts another body in the universe. Consider two bodies, A and B. These two bodies have mass m1 and m2, respectively. The distance between these two bodies is d. Then, the force of attraction between any two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This is also known as universal law of gravitation. And the force acting between the bodies is known as gravitational force. When an object is thrown upwards, it reaches a certain height and then falls downwards. This is because of gravitational force. Here, object is very small as compared to the earth, so the object is attracted towards the earth. And the same force is acting between the moon and the earth. But the moon is revolving around the earth instead of falling towards the earth. Now let's understand why this happens. Consider that the moon is moving in a straight line. The moon is moving with a constant velocity since no external forces are acting on the moon. Now, the earth exerts a gravitational pull on the moon. This pull gives rise to a centripetal force which is responsible for the circular trajectory of the moon. So the moon revolves around the earth. In our solar system, all the planets go around the sun because of the gravitational force. Gravitational force can be expressed as. When we simplify the equation, we get a constant value g. G is the constant of proportionality and is called the universal gravitation constant.